Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I just want to talk about something really quickly. So on my short, I had posted, one of my managers was like, you only could drink water at a certain time, which is on break time. And I'm like, that is against the law. Like, how can you tell somebody when they can and drink water? So insult to injury, I get to my second job, and my second job is like, you only can take a break when this and this happen. I'm just like, these managers be coming out of nowhere with these laws on when you can and eat and when can you drink. It's just like, I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of it. I'm just to the point where like I don't want to work for people no more. It's too much. It's too much. Every time I turn around, somebody's talking some crap. And then the thing about the server job is that I'm surrounded by food, so it's just like it's an insult. And then I'm gonna start from the beginning with this story. So I get to work, I get there at 5. I get there on time because I wanted to make sure I got to work on time. And then it was slow. We weren't that busy today, so today was a slow day. So I only ended up making like $94 or whatever. But normally I make more than that, but I didn't make a whole bunch. And I'm okay, and I'm grateful and thankful for what I made because I end up spending too much money on the weekend. So I'm trying to remake what I spent. What I'm trying to say is, when it was time for me to take my break at this job, it always seems like it's an issue or it's a problem. They're always like saying, oh, you can take a break, but you got to get someone to watch your section. And it's just like, servers don't really get breaks for real. But at my job, they make you take the break. Like, if you don't want to take a break, they make you take the break. Like, they literally force you to do it. And then when they force you to do it, and you're like, okay, I think I'm going to get something to eat. As soon as you sit down to eat, it was, where were you? You were gone for 20 minutes. The table was waiting. And it's just like, why would you give me a table if you know that I'm about to take a break? And then she's like, you didn't get no one to watch your section, which technically that was kind of my fault a little bit. But I'm just like, I closed my section. So I was like, if my section is closed, why are you putting guests there? They do that all the time. And then they did it again today. They put some guests at a table and the server went home. So I told my manager, I said, it seems to me like y'all just put people in sections that are closed, and then you want the server to just pick the pieces up where they fall at. Like, that's what y'all want to do. And then you want to blame me for them sitting there for 20 minutes. It's technically your fault because you are the one that's in control of the seating, and you can tell the host to seat a section that is open rather than seat a section that is closed. And she was like, no, that's not how it is. And I was like, yes, it is. It's definitely, that's how it is. Because if the section is closed, why are you putting people there? And the server is either gone or taking a break. Doesn't make any sense to me. But y'all let me know in the comments. Stupid. Absolutely stupid. Never heard no stupid crap in my life like that ever. To see somebody in a section that's closed. So yeah, that was just really dumb. I was just like, she is irritating my soul. And I literally had to talk to her for like 15 to 20 minutes about the whole thing. I was just like, this is so stupid. It's the dumbest bitch in the world. Is it not green? Anyway, you guys, I'm just like, I'm over working for people. I cannot do it. It's just too much. Keep working for people and dealing with their crap, dealing with their BS, dealing with their rules, dealing with how they treat you. Just because you gotta make an honest living to put a roof over your head, people feel like they can just speak to you however they want to. And it's just like, in my opinion, I really don't have time for the BS. I'm tired of it. Like, I really am tired of it. I'm tired of people disrespecting me. And I think that I should just follow what God is telling me to do and just do my business because I'm just tired. I really am. And this year, I was thinking about buying a home. And at this point, I'm like over it. Like, I don't even think I want to buy a home anymore. Not with these prices all wild and crazy, even though I make good money. because I bust my behind. But it's just like, do I really want to be a server forever at 56? No, I don't. I do not want to be a server. And I know I'm not going to be a server until 56, but it's just like, I'm almost 40 years old. Like, this is not the life I want to live. Going to bed super late and then getting back up at 5:30 just to grind and for another individual. If I'm gonna be not getting sleep, it got to be for my business. Yo, what the heck is that? Yo, these little, they be rats and stuff over here, and they be jumping out the woodworks. Hopefully they don't jump out. But I'm gonna catch y'all like the next day, because I do my vlogs, like I start them in the beginning of the week, and then the next time y'all probably see me is probably gonna be Thursday morning. So I'm gonna see y'all on Thursday. So it's your girl Z Baby with another video. In today's video, I want to just address, I don't know if this is gonna be a story time, but it's gonna be more like a rant. So I've been looking on social media, and I have been hearing people's stories on TikTok. I don't know about YouTube as much, but I know TikTok for sure. And I want to know why, and myself included, on why these employers out here just feel like they could talk to you any type of way. They could speak to you any type of way. They can tell you when you can drink water and when you can't drink water, which was my case. It's always something going on. And I always am wondering, like, the times that we're living in is really starting to get crazy. Like, me the other day when I was explaining the water situation, it's just like, I don't understand what be going on in these managers' minds and what be going on in their brain. And I really feel like it's just wildness. Like, I'm getting to a point where, like, I feel like, what can I really do to get out of this situation? Because I don't like to keep complaining about something and I don't fix the situation. Like, I need to figure out what I'm going to do, because it's just like, it's starting to get retarded and crazy. And then I've been hearing on TikTok where one girl said that she, I guess, like, voiced her opinion about taking a, not taking a break, but how she couldn't come into work one day, and her manager was basically telling her, like, unfortunately, you're gonna have to come in. And she was like, what about my kid? And she was like, well, if you don't come in, it's a write-up. And it's just like, I don't understand. Like, these bosses out here just be ruthless. And I'm just to the point where I got to do better for myself, because this work forever. I don't know how my parents and grandparents did it, but me, I don't like it. Like, I'm 37 and I already don't like, I do not like working for people. Like, I really despise working for people. I do it because I know I need to pay my bills, and I said that in the last clip. But at the end of the day, like, it's starting to get crazy. And then this is the most thing that I hate about working at a job, is that people know that you need the job to pay your bills. That's the biggest thing that I hate. I don't like someone to control my pay. And I really don't like the way people talk to me. It really, it really, oops, I almost dropped my camera because I'm driving. It really, really bothers me with that. And, like, later on in life, I'm gonna be looking at all the hard work that I did, because I'm definitely not going to be one of those individuals that's going to be at a 9-to-5 for the rest of my life. I just don't see it. Or serving tables late at night and then getting off late and then getting back up at 5:30 just to do it all over again. No. It's not going to be me. I can't see that happening. It's just not worth it. And then my thing is, these employers act like, if you don't do something, then, they look at you sideways. Or in my case, again, with the water situation, you only can drink water at a certain time. It's just like, what if I pass out and die? Somebody put that on my TikTok. Like, right, what if I pass out and die? What if I don't make it in the next day? What if I catch what's that called, when you use the bathroom? I forgot the name of it. Y'all put in the comments what it's called. But at the end of the day, I feel like these managers and employers are stepping over boundaries or whatever, because I remember a long time ago in 2020 when 2021, my bad, when they was just begging people to work or whatever, and they had all these hiring signs. What happened to that? What happened to "we appreciate you"? And I'm just like, it's not every day, but it's like every other day. People will remind you, let me dangle this fruit in front of your face. So, if I dangle this fruit in front of your face, this is how you get your meal. But if you talk to me crazy, man, just know you're going to get that right up, or I'm going to find somebody to come in here and replace you. And I'm going to get that person to work. Yo, I swear. What are you doing? See, it be high-speed chases on the highway. People be wilding out, man. I don't even know what that's about. But dude is on some crazy stuff, and I just don't got time. He almost hit my freaking car. Like, I wish I would have showed y'all. He like literally went around the car. I think he's trying to get away from the police at this point, because he literally just went around and drove around my car. But anyway, as long as you don't hit my car, because like I would have been pissed off. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, I forgot what I was saying. But basically, people just treat you unfairly. I feel like I've exhausted this rant so long, but it's like, it's true. And I just, gotta work for myself. I just got to. Hey, you guys. So I'm at Dollar Tree, and I came in here to get some organizers for my bathroom. I ended up getting a whole more than I needed, but I'm looking at these movies because I'm like, Dollar Tree really got movies in here? Like, not that I'm interested in any of them, but they got some back in the day forgotten movies that nobody watched. And I was so fascinated by it, so I kept touching it. But, y'all, I am so happy that I came up in here because, y'all, I found so much goodies. And I'm going to have a separate video on everything that I got from Dollar Tree. But y'all need to check y'all local Dollar Tree out. I haven't been at Dollar Tree in a while, so I was happy and pleased of what I found. Number one reason why I'm in Dollar Tree is because I'm organizing my bathroom, because my bathroom is a mess. It's been a mess, and I need to come in here to get the stuff, so that's why I'm in Dollar Tree. But I found some really good finds in Dollar Tree, I'm trying to tell you. This is what my closet is looking like, my bathroom closet, and y'all about to see me transform this closet because it really needs some work. So I have taken all of my stuff inside of the closet and put it in these baskets. I recommend you guys try this out because it's really great idea for a closet. Far so good. So I do love everything that I put in the closet, and I'm glad that I went to Dollar Tree to get it. But this is how the whole bathroom is looking. I also cleaned the bathroom, so I'm so happy with my results. It took me so long to get this bathroom together, but I'm happy. Yes, very happy.
Hey, Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately.
Okay, you guys, so I'm about to make my ultimate mac and cheese. It's about to be so freaking good, you guys. So, yes, this is what I'm about to make. Chicken wings, you know how your girl love to get down. So, yeah, don't mind that. That just fell. I do have some shell here that I'm going to make, but, yeah, this is what we about to make. So yeah, you guys, I'm turning the music on and let's get it cracking. So the chicken is looking real good. Yes, chicken is looking good. So I'm just about to put the mac and cheese together, and that's gonna be it. But I'm loving my chicken. Yes. Hey you guys, so this is my meal. This is my meal that I've been making all day. Super love it. I've made everything from scratch. So I do like to cook on Sunday. I love having Sunday dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you can get a video every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.